It all started when we came across a staggering statistic about the estimated number of plastic bag degrade needs 200 years 1000 years, and we knew something had to change. Our machine with 2 jumbo rolls standing, with single embossing device. We have many embossing pattern for your choose. The single embossing include 1 steel roller and 1 rubber roller. With perforating device, it will let the paper easy to break. With core tube accumulator, can load about 30 logs. With PLC for easy to operation. Has rolling finished. With automatic transfer deck for transfer to the cutting machine. The cutting machine is running. Cutting the long roll to the small roll. The raw material is the paper film. Its friendly environment. With iron device, let the finished packing style is flat.